guys, in this session we are going to discuss about the understand the authentication. Authentication means providing the your identity. Authenticity, this is belongs to you. You are the user. So the common thing for the authentication is providing the password identification as your username and the password. When you provide the username and password, you will be get the authenticated and you will be able to access the resource as per the authorization. So we will discuss all about the related the authentication, what are the mechanisms or possibilities for the authentication. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about the identity and access management. So identity means providing the your identity. Once you will provide your identity, you will able to access the specific area, a specific location, a specific data or a specific object. Object means resources. So the IAM or the identity and access management is a process of the identifying the users to control the access. Means when you will provide the identity, based on the identity the resource will be allocated to you and you can access the specific resources as per your identification. So in a Linux, your identity means what type of the identity you are providing in a Linux. Simple a username and the password. Once you will provide the username and the password, you will get the access, right? But now the question is this, where your username and password are stored in a Linux. We have discussed sometime before earlier, but today we are going to discuss again on the password and stored their locations. So the authentication means here the user information, and this is the another file etc and shadow. This is the file where all your password are stored. That's very nice. I know the password is there, you know the password is there, so hacker also know the password is there. So this is quite easy. You can go and access the file, and once you will get the access of the file, you will get the password. It is quite easy, is it? But it is not quite easy. I am going to share you a just run a virtual machine where I can show you your username and password will not available at that particular location. Let's until the Linux will be boot, we will discuss more about it. So there is a one process which is well known nowadays, and it is the SSO, single sign-on. So what is the meaning of the single sign-on? Single sign-on means you will have to provide the single time your identity and you will be able to access all the resources. For the basic example is a Gmail service. When you will log in inside the Gmail or your Google account, so all the services will be available for the you or for the user. Some examples are here, like YouTube account, the same account as a Gmail, and the Drive, Google Drive, Google Photos, and other services like the Drive and the Google Docs. So this is means you will have to provide the one time your identity and you will access the all the resources. Okay. So once you will provide the authentication once for the access to many resources, more than the one resource. Generally, what happened when you will provide the your identity, you will be able to access the single resource. But in a single sign-on, you will have to provide the one time your authentication and you will access all the resources are provided to you.